What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, we're going to be doing the home plate and first base delete on an LT1. We've got the cold air intake here that we're going to be throwing on it. So this is going to be done on our 1994 Fleetwood Brougham limo.
Here's a basic rundown of what we'll be doing today. So on the LT1, we have two intake resonators. We've got this right here, first base, and then we've got home plate back here. They make the intake quieter and we don't want that. So step one is buy an eBay cold air intake. Ignore all the maintenance on your engine. We haven't even done an oil change yet. So we're buying a $50 cold air intake before we're doing an oil change. Get your priorities straight, people.
So here's our custom puck for the home plate delete. This is 3D printed out of PETG material, which is going to be a little bit higher strength and higher temp resistant than your normal material. So if you guys want one of these, make sure to give us a DM on Instagram and we'll get one out to you. So step one, you're going to remove these two 13mm nuts off of this home plate. Next, you're going to get a flathead and you're going to remove this hose clamp right here. Next, you're just going to pull it off.
That's clean, bro.
Next, you're going to get your flathead again, and you're going to take off this clamp right here.
All right, so we're going to need to take the MAF off next, so we're going to have to undo both of these hose clamps. If you guys don't have a pipe like we do from the eBay cold air intake kit, you could go to Home Depot and get a similarly sized one and just use your stock air box. It sounds delicious. You're a fucking bitch. So next we got this hose clamp right here for this breather tube, and then we've also got one electrical connector under here that will need to be unplugged.
So now to remove the air box, there's a T30 bolt with a 10mm nut on the back. This can be found on the other side of the fender well and can be removed.
So we've got the MAF off now. We're just gonna give it a quick cleaning because it looks kind of nasty, and it's probably a good idea to do it anyway. So yeah, you don't want to touch the wires in there. That would be bad. That's how it reads the air. Oh, dude, that fits so good. Okay, so we figured it out. So basically, if you take a look at these sexy ass mass airflow sensor adapters that come OEM on the car, you're gonna need to keep them, turn them inside out, and kind of fold them over onto the pipe to make the pipe work with the mass airflow sensor, because the pipe's way too big. But what do you expect for 50 bucks? Obviously it's nighttime now. You know, we like to film in optimal conditions for visibility.
Don't forget to put this hose on.
Is it worth 50 bucks? Yes or no? That's the question.
Is it worth $50? Yes. No, it's not.
No, it's not.
That wraps it up for this week, guys. If you guys found that video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for future content. I'll see you guys next week.